Have you ever wondered how millions of cola cans are made at Pepsi's factory? In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore the high-speed production process of one of the world's favorite beverages. From the moment raw ingredients arrive at the factory to the final perfectly sealed cans ready for distribution, you'll get an exclusive look at the steps that make Pepsi a global success. Whether it's the advanced machinery, the assembly lines, or the intricate quality control measures, there's so much that goes into creating each can of Pepsi. Before we dive into the exciting details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future behind-the-scenes videos. Let's get started. Pepsi. A behind-the-scenes. Look at how it's made. Millions of bottles, thousands of machines, endless precision. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how does Pepsi manage to quench the world's insatiable thirst for soft drinks? Every sip you take has traveled through a web of high-speed machinery, secret formulas, and laser-guided quality checks, all completed in mere minutes. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of one of Pepsi's largest factories to uncover the secrets behind their extraordinary production process. From the careful sourcing of raw ingredients to delivering perfectly carbonated beverages, this is a journey into speed, precision, and innovation. But there's an even bigger question. How does Pepsi achieve this massive scale without ever compromising on quality? Is it cutting-edge technology, meticulous planning, or something even more surprising? Stay tuned, because the story of Pepsi is one of extraordinary engineering and flawless execution that you won't want to miss. Creating millions of soft drinks every day is like orchestrating a symphony. Every ingredient, process, and machine must work in perfect harmony to ensure the final product delivers the same refreshing experience. But where does it all begin? Picture the foundation of a castle. Each brick is carefully selected to ensure strength and durability. In Pepsi's case, these bricks are the ingredients. Each syrup, flavor, and drop of carbonated water is chosen with unmatched precision to maintain the brand's high standards. The journey begins with Pepsi's strict ingredient sourcing policies. The company doesn't just grab ingredients off the shelf. Instead, it enforces rigorous quality control standards to secure the best syrups, purified water, and secret flavor components. These raw materials are the heart of every Pepsi drink, and the company's experts inspect them meticulously. Syrups are evaluated for richness, water undergoes advanced purification processes to achieve sparkling clarity, and even the iconic secret flavors are tested for perfection. Every step mirrors a chef tasting dishes before they leave the kitchen, ensuring only the finest elements make their way into the final product. But why is this level of attention to detail so critical? To understand, we must look at the psychology behind Pepsi's flavors. Humans are naturally drawn to sweetness, a craving deeply tied to our brain's reward system. Pepsi crafts its signature taste to tap into these instincts, creating flavors that evoke joy and satisfaction. This understanding of consumer psychology is one of Pepsi's secret weapons. By balancing taste and emotional gratification, the company fosters loyalty that keeps millions coming back for more. However, sweetness alone isn't enough to create Pepsi's magic. It's the delicate interplay of flavors, the perfect blend of syrup, carbonation, and freshness that makes each sip a burst of refreshment. This intricate combination of elements transforms a simple beverage into a global phenomenon, connecting people across cultures and continents. When the balance is just right, it creates an irresistible connection with the drinker, making Pepsi a staple on dining tables and in vending machines worldwide. Once the ingredients are inspected and approved, they're sent into a carefully calibrated mixing process. Here, precision takes center stage. High-speed machines combine the syrups, purified water, and carbonation with exact measurements. Advanced sensors ensure that every batch matches the company's strict flavor profile. This step is critical because even a minor deviation could result in an off-tasting drink, a risk Pepsi cannot afford. After mixing, the liquid is funneled into a series of bottling and canning machines. These high-speed systems are marvels of engineering, capable of filling thousands of containers per minute. Every movement is synchronized, from the pouring of the liquid to the sealing of caps and lids. Laser-guided inspections ensure that each bottle and can is perfectly filled and securely sealed, maintaining freshness until the moment it's opened by the consumer. As the products are packaged and prepared for distribution, the sheer scale of Pepsi's operations becomes evident. Warehouses are filled with stacks of bottles and cans, each destined for markets worldwide. Despite the incredible speed and volume, Pepsi's commitment to quality ensures that every sip delivers the same great taste that has defined the brand for generations. The story of Pepsi's production is one of innovation, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. It's not just about making soft drinks, it's about crafting an experience that millions enjoy daily. Through advanced technology, thoughtful planning, and a deep understanding of consumer desires, Pepsi has mastered the art of delivering joy in a bottle. Behind the process, crafting perfection. Enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at Pepsi's production process? Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories about the engineering and innovation behind your favorite products. Once the ingredients arrive at the factory, the mixing process begins. Think of it as a master chef balancing flavors with scientific precision. Syrups blend with carbonated water to create the foundation of Pepsi's signature taste. The balance is critical. Too much syrup and the drink overpowers, too little and it falls flat. This is where the art and science of Pepsi's production come together to create perfection. The mixing process involves precision machines that measure quantities down to the smallest detail. They test for consistency, pH levels, and carbonation pressure at every step. The machines ensure that each batch is identical from the first sip to the last. But it's not just about machines. Expert technicians monitor every phase, ensuring that the results align with Pepsi's strict standards. It's a delicate dance between technology and craftsmanship, an art form that guarantees perfection in every bottle. The bottles start as tiny plastic preforms, humble beginnings that quickly transform into protectors of the liquid treasure inside. While plastic is a popular choice for its durability and lightweight nature, alternative materials like glass and aluminum are also used in the industry, each with its strengths in preserving carbonation and flavor. However, plastic offers more flexibility and cost efficiency. These forms are heated and expanded through a process that resembles a blacksmith forging armor. Each bottle is molded under heat and pressure, ensuring strength and uniformity. The process is fast and efficient, yet every bottle undergoes strict inspections. Quality checks ensure no cracks or weaknesses because no fortress can afford a leak. Pepsi's bottles are more than containers. They are shields. They must be strong enough to endure transport while keeping the contents fresh. Advanced molding machines work tirelessly, producing bottles that meet exact specifications. Once created, the bottles are tested for durability. They must be tough enough to hold carbonation without bursting while still being lightweight and eco-friendly. Once the bottles are ready, the filling process begins. This stage is a synchronized dance of machinery that operates with the precision of a Swiss watch. Conveyor belts glide the bottles into position where carbonation, the signature fizz, is injected under pressure. This step is crucial. Too much fizz and the bottle might burst. Too little and the drink falls flat. Next comes the sealing process, which locks in freshness like closing a treasure chest. Caps are tightened securely, ensuring no leaks or contamination. Labels are then applied with pinpoint accuracy, turning each bottle into a polished product ready for shelves. The entire process is swift but meticulous, balancing speed with care. Every step ensures that Pepsi's promise of quality is upheld. Automation, precision, and quality control. Producing millions of bottles isn't just about speed, it's about achieving perfection. Imagine Beethoven composing a symphony where every note must harmonize flawlessly. At Pepsi, every step of production requires the same level of precision. Even the slightest misstep, too much syrup, insufficient carbonation, or a loose cap, can disrupt the balance. That's where cutting-edge automation takes the lead, serving as the ultimate guardian of quality. High-tech sensors operate like vigilant sentinels, using laser-guided precision to inspect each bottle in milliseconds. They scan for irregularities in syrup levels, carbonation, and seals, immediately flagging anything that doesn't meet Pepsi's stringent standards. These automated systems work at breathtaking speed, ensuring that every bottle is flawless before it continues its journey. This commitment to detail ensures that every sip delivers the same signature taste Pepsi drinkers have come to love. But the quality checks don't end there. Hygiene at Pepsi's factories rivals that of a hospital operating room. Workers wear sterile suits to prevent contamination, while the floors are kept immaculately clean. Ultraviolet lights neutralize invisible threats, ensuring that the production environment remains pristine. These factories are so meticulously maintained that they could host a medical procedure without compromise. This obsession with cleanliness guarantees that every bottle of Pepsi is not only delicious, but also safe and pure for consumers. Why does this intense focus on quality and consistency matter? It's simple: trust. Just as we expect elevators to rise or planes to fly safely, we rely on Pepsi to deliver the same perfect taste every time. This consistency is not merely a production goal, it's a promise, a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. By blending state-of-the-art technology, rigorous hygiene, and precision at every stage, Pepsi creates a product that consumers can trust and enjoy without hesitation. With every bottle, Pepsi reinforces its reputation for quality and reliability, one sip at a time. Packaging, distribution, and the global reach. Once the bottles pass inspection, they move on to the final steps: packaging and distribution. Imagine Henry Ford's revolutionary assembly lines, but instead of cars, crates of Pepsi roll out like modern chariots ready to quench the world's thirst. Labeling machines spring into action like precise tattoo artists, ensuring each bottle is adorned with a perfect identity. Every label matters. Crooked placement or smudges could tarnish the brand's reputation, so precision is non-negotiable. Next, bottles are secured in shrink wrap, forming tightly bound bundles that act as protective armor for their journey. These bundles are carefully stacked onto pallets, creating organized units ready to be transported. The process is seamless, a well-choreographed dance of efficiency and care. Each step ensures that Pepsi's products are not only presentable, but also prepared for the rigorous journey ahead. The final phase is distribution, a global ballet connecting Pepsi's factories to stores around the world. Trucks, ships, and planes form an expansive logistical network, working tirelessly to ensure that Pepsi reaches consumers fresh and fizzy. This intricate system mirrors the ancient Silk Road, delivering valuable goods across vast distances. From bustling city supermarkets to small remote village shops, Pepsi's network guarantees that its products are always within reach. But this step isn't just about moving goods, it highlights a broader theme: trust in systems. Just as ancient empires relied on roads and aqueducts to sustain their growth, modern businesses depended on logistical arteries to keep their promises. For Pepsi, that promise is simple: consistent quality and taste, bottle after bottle. It's a commitment upheld through precision, technology, and teamwork, ensuring that every sip lives up to expectations. Think about it. Every bottle of Pepsi you encounter has traveled an incredible journey. From raw ingredients carefully sourced and inspected to high-speed production lines and rigorous quality checks, each step blends cutting-edge technology with human dedication. This process reflects not just a commitment to quality, but also our collective craving for reliability and indulgence. What does this journey say about us? Maybe it shows how deeply we value consistency and trust. Or perhaps it's a reminder of how even the smallest pleasures, like a refreshing sip of soda, are made possible by extraordinary efforts behind the scenes. So, what's your favorite Pepsi flavor? Classic? Cherry? Or maybe an exotic limited edition? Let us know in the comments. We're curious to hear what fuels your cravings. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our next deep dive into how your favorite products are made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!